The Python King!
2022 ended up with lots of memories gathered up from various events, one of which includes my travel to Quidah in Benue Republic.
Did you know that somebody who was initiated in the Python Kingdom actually built the cathedral in front of it?
I had desires to overcome several fears that engulfed my mind for some time, as the main goal for 2023 is to do things I would love to do regardless of anxiety. In the past years, it could never have been me touching or being in the same space with a crawling creature, as I dislike it so much because I usually have weird feelings about them. But here I was, wearing one of the numerous pythons over my neck. The Python Temple in Ouidah is one of the many sacred places in Benue Republic and a voodoo shrine in the country. It's a tourist attraction site where you would love to visit while in the country. The pythons are wild animals, but the reverse is the case in Benue Republic. They actually guard and protect these creatures. Legend has it that the king of Ouidah, while running from his enemies during an intertribal war, was saved by the pythons in the forest and prevented his enemies from capturing him. After the war, he erected 3 huts in honor of the pythons, and up to date, the temple features between 40 and 70 snakes lying around without restraint while people worship them. If eventually you kill any of these pythons, there are legal and spiritual consequences. It will cost you 1,000 sefa per person to enter this shrine as a tourist, and if you want to take pictures and video, it will cost you an extra 2,000 sefa. At the entrance, there is a tree where you can drop a gift and make a wish. As long as it's not something bad, as said, it will come to pass, and when it does, it is expected you revisit and show appreciation.
Make some wish, but only positive wish, not bad wish.
Okay, so when you place your hand on that tree and then you make any wish, it comes to pass. Really?
Yes, but people when they're feeling they should put some offering, but when they put this offering, when they feel has for this thing, when you have more than the feel and you should come back again to make some ceremony.
So if somebody asks you for money,
you have also, you don't say that you want money, and the God wants to give you money like that. You should make you to have some job. And by this job, you can have
money. It's not like you want the God to give you. Okay,
no,
but you want the God to give you a particular job.
Yes, and for that you can have.
After the tree is a shrine where only people who have been initiated can go inside and make prayers or incantations. There are drawings on the walls which illustrate so much about Ouidah and the Python Temple.
For 6 weeks, they can eat another thing again. By this way, you can read between the right there, Agbotagbado. Firstly, there is a sheep, and also the surname of some family in Ouidah. But Agbo is a big name of some family. When people we have in the kingdom, when you are a new king, if you want to have a powerful name, you can say I'm the lion. You can take any name you want, from animal or from tree. But this Agbo is an animal, the name of animals. Family, Sir family is a name. They can say Agbo is the name of some family.
Okay.
But the Agbota is the head of the ghost.
Okay, the head of the goat. Okay.
Yes. Bato is mean break. It's all those it means breaker, the sheep breaker of the head of animals. Why he broke the head? He broke the head to break all the negative things who happen in the town or the people who live in the town. And people can have a peace in our life. By this way is a calabash. We are using only calabash in this temple. We don't use, we don't use the plate. This one contains the blood, but this one contains the water. The blood is very important for the ceremony, for some ritual in this temple. And I think like this way you can. We have some women. They have some small pots in our head. You ask me it's for what? And why these women don't have any pot in our head? They have two hands closed like that. It's for this ceremony. They call this pot Zengbe. He had 203 years old. This pot.
Okay.
And they use this pot on 7. The last time in 2017. Maybe the ancestors take our prayers. 2024 they use again. For turn this pot, they give one chicken for this pot. After that, the priestess should then sing around the pot. After that, they will turn this pot in a normal way, the priest and the priestess, and they will put it outside in the temple of the Pythons. And these women, the name of these women is the caretakers. It means the women who can take care of the pot. It's not only any people can take care. It's only the women.
When it was time to see the python, I was a little bit afraid, but it's a safe process as the snakes are harmless. We went further into the temple where there were more than 30 snakes in it, and we saw another tourist making prayers. I guess he was making a wish. We were asked to make a wish as well, but I wasn't it for it. I just wanted to see some snakes as I had never touched one before. I was shocked when I was informed that one of the members of the Python temple built the cathedral in front of the shrine. It's hardly heard of anywhere in the world that these two religions can coexist peacefully in the same location.
This one is 50 years.
Yes, that's the female. In the face of the... Don't worry, they're not really film for you. I just want to show you something.
I can see it over there. Just show me.
In the face of the python, you can see 10. 5 by this way, 5 by the other way. They put 2. Can you see?
Yeah.
Have you seen? Yes. They put it in the face of the person who works with the pythons. This is clarification. This one is that. In the morning they sleep, but in the night.
And so you said if they kill it, like if people are just going to kill them, so how do they see the snakes kill them? Like, do they come out? Or is
Yes,
it-